In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete and rename Mailchimp tags. Whether you're looking to better organize your email marketing campaigns or simply want to clean up your audience data, managing your tags effectively is an important step. Tags in Mailchimp are a great way to segment your audience, but over time, you might find that some tags are no longer relevant or need a clearer name. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to rename or delete tags in Mailchimp so you can keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and are inside your dashboard, you're ready to manage your tags. Keep in mind that these steps assume you already have tags set up in your account. If you don't, you'll need to create some first, but that's a topic for another day. Now, let's continue. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand menu on your dashboard. Look for the section labeled Audience and click on it. This is where all your audience management tools are located, including the tags we'll be working with today. If you manage multiple audiences within Mailchimp, take a moment to ensure you're working with the correct one. You can confirm this by checking the drop-down menu at the top of the audience section. It's crucial to double-check this step because tags are specific to each audience, and you wouldn't want to accidentally make changes to the wrong one. Next, within the audience section, find and click on the Tags option. This will take you to the Tags page, where you can view all the tags associated with your selected audience. At the top right corner of this section, you'll see a button labeled Manage Tags. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to rename or delete tags as needed. Now, let's start with renaming a tag. Scroll through your list of tags to locate the one you'd like to rename. Once you've found it, look to the far right-hand side of the tags row. You'll see a small arrow or a drop-down menu icon. Click on that arrow. A menu will appear, and from the available options, select Rename. At this point, a pop-up window will appear where you can type in the new name for your tag. Choose a name that is clear, concise, and reflective of its purpose. Once you're satisfied with the new name, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it, your tag has now been successfully renamed. It's a good idea to double-check your list afterward to ensure the change was applied as expected. If you need to delete a tag instead, the process is just as straightforward. Start by finding the tag you want to remove in your tags list. Once you've located it, select the tag by clicking on it. After selecting it, look at the top of the tags section, and you should see a Delete button. Click on this button and Mailchimp will prompt you to confirm that you really want to delete the tag. Be aware that deleting a tag is permanent, so make sure this is the action you want to take. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the deletion. Mailchimp will process the request, and after a few moments the tag will be permanently removed from your list. And that's all there is to it. Whether you're renaming a tag to make it more descriptive or deleting one that you no longer need. These steps will help you keep your Mailchimp account organized and efficient. Remember, managing your tags effectively can make a big difference in how you segment and communicate with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.